her rear legs are probably 2 to 3 times as worse than her front legs.
Looking a lot better.
Yeah, looking good.
We're gonna give him some more of that food, grain. I'd get that shampoo, that kill sticks, and tie her up, and bring her over there and wash her, and bathe her.
Alright.
Sometimes they do that. It's looking real. She's got really strong. Walk that way.
Come on, buddies. That bull calf isn't as bad, but he's got more black spots on his neck too.
He's all walking.
Oh, he's running. There's a bunch of ticks in that ear. You can see right there. She just must not have good genetics for... What is that oil in her skin you said about that kills ticks?
Anti-parasite.
Yeah, in Brahman breeds.
She could be crossed with a dairy cow or something. You never tell, like Conrad's cow. Probably younger than first that. She's taken away from her mother real soon.
She's got a bunch in there. No, that's like clean. That's nothing. Yeah. I wonder if it's because of the tag, maybe.
Let me see it on this side. I'm getting you wet. I should freak out a lot more for this water, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty calm.
Not hurting you.
So many ticks all over her neck.
The thing that a lot of them are dead. They're just the shell.
Yeah. Oh, real small.
Alright, get that soap.
Yep.
Can you turn the light off on me?
Yep.
Oh, her back legs got way worse than the front.
Her belly doesn't have hardly any of them.
No, there's only certain spots that they really get them.
I feel like hernia. Oh no, maybe that is the
Yeah.
I don't know.
Stuff starts to burn. A little bit. But that's alright. This is how you know it's working.
The dimple feels the same.
Yeah, it's still pretty big. I don't think it's that big of a deal though. It's not big at all compared to the other videos I've seen.
Now this is, did we talk about this?
That's it.
Oh, that is it, okay.
It's this.
Yep.
You only see it on one side too.
Must have been one that backed out. I saw it walking on her.
Yeah, they don't like the soap. It burns a little bit.
Them ticks are probably pretty itchy for her, huh?
Yeah, they fucking suck. They hurt. Hurt more than a mosquito bite. And you don't really feel them. All right, you turn the water on and hose her off.
All right, well, I got her all rinsed off. Made sure to get her real good. I'm gonna take one last look over her. I think this is caused from the parasites, and we gave her enough ivermectin now that it's not getting worse at all, but it was a lot better. It was bleeding a little bit, maybe a couple weeks ago. So we had to spray it. And it's gotten a lot better. But as you can see, all this tick's obviously still there, but hopefully it'll help dry them up and get them out of there. And I didn't catch it on video, but there was even one tick that had pulled out and was crawling over her. Obviously didn't like that shampoo, which is like some sort of tick shampoo that kills the ticks. So hopefully she starts looking better here in a couple weeks. She's looked better. She's been looking better since a couple weeks ago already, but she's still got a long way to go. She's got so many ticks up here on her behind here. But and her rear legs, I don't know why. Her rear legs are probably 2 to 3 times as worse than her front legs. But now time to get her out in the pasture.